All right, so it's August 19th, 2024, meaning that the Parole in Place PIP goes into effect today. So I want us to discuss the eligibility requirements in some cool stuff about the PIP. So a non-citizen spouse or stepchild of a U.S. citizen may request the PIP Parole in Place if they are present in the United States without admission or parole, have been continuously physically present in the US since at least June 17th, 2014, if seeking the PIP as a spouse of a US citizen, or as of June 17th, 2024, if seeking the PIP as a stepchild of a US citizen, and have a legally valid marriage to a US citizen as of June 17, 2024. That is if you're seeking the PIP as a spouse of a US citizen, or a parent who had a legally valid marriage to a US citizen on or before June 17th, 2024, and before the stepchild's 18th birthday, if seeking the PIP as a stepchild of a US citizen. So the non-citizen spouse and the stepchild of a US citizen must not have any disqualifying criminal history and do not pose a threat to the national security and public safety. So some cool stuff. Individuals who are granted parole under the PIP would receive parole for a 3-year period from the date of approval, which is very cool. Another cool thing is that as long as your parole remains valid, you'll be considered in a period of authorized stay, and you'll be permitted to apply for the adjustment of status, which will give you a green card by applying or filling out the form I-485 for the USCIS. Another coolest thing is that individuals granted parole are also immediately eligible to apply for an employment authorization document, meaning that you can actually get a work permit only if you apply for it. And you do that by filling out the form I-765, application for employment authorization, and be sure that you choose the right category code, okay? So important notice for widows and widowers of US citizens. So if your US citizen spouse or step-parent has died prior to submitting the PIP, you may still qualify for PIP as a non-citizen spouse or stepchild, as long as your legally valid marriage was entered into on or before June 17th, 2024. All right. So if you meet or you qualify, give my office a call at 703-705-9905, and we'll be happy to serve you and to help you apply for the PIP. My name is Akosia Banahini of AB Legal Consult. I'll see you next time.